Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Fallout is real. I'm not talking just about the fallout. I'm talking about how it lifted my eyeshadow right here. Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and put these eyeshadows to the test. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, by the title you guys already see, I am gonna be using the Morphe 35V palette in this look. If you guys don't know what palette that is, I will leave it somewhere on the screen for you guys. It is one of their newer eyeshadow palettes. If you guys have not yet checked out my video before this one, it is me doing the 35M. I'm going ahead and showing you guys how I apply the eyeshadows and how they look. I really like that palette. I enjoyed it. Had no fallout, little to no fallout, and it was a really good palette, super pigmented. Everything was there in the Morphe brand. Coming to this palette, you guys will see what I think about this palette. It gave me a little headache, but I mean, it's okay. But we're gonna go ahead and start with the video so you guys can see what I thought of this palette throughout the video. And if you guys are not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? If you guys want to see any more reviews or any more videos of me applying these eyeshadows, or going to Burlington, or going to TJ Maxx, or even DD's discount, any store you guys want me to go to, any videos you guys want, let me know in the description box down below. Everything I used on my face today will be linked in the description box down below as well. If you guys want to see full-on swatches of this palette, go to my Instagram. I will be going ahead and doing swatches on the Instagram, so go and follow me on there so you guys don't miss anything. Other than that, that's basically all I have to say right now, so let's get into the video. Really pretty, and it is my first time swatching, so that's what it looks like. Oh baby. Okay, so the brush is wet, so I'm gonna go into that eyeshadow and we're gonna pop it on top of this color. Okay, on top of that, after I put that all over where I have this blue eyeshadow, we're going to go into Ride or Die, which is this one right here. Right there. I think I'm going to put Ride or Die with my finger. And then I'll just blend it out. Okay, so after you look dirty on your face, we're going to go on to a different eyeshadow. So I'm going to grab just this random brush from eBay. And I'm going to grab this dark eyeshadow right here. This one right here. It's a dark purple. And we're just going to be applying this right here. What the hell? Do you guys see that? Do you guys see that? Fallout is real. I'm not talking just about the fallout. I'm talking about how it lifted my eyeshadow right here. What the fuck? Look. It took off all my eyeshadow. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna grab the eyeshadow. You guys see the brush? It is full of purple eyeshadow. So, why is it doing that? Look. that shit basically pissed me off right now. Because now I'm going to have to figure something out. Okay. I'm just going to grab the color in the zone, this brown one right here, and I'm going to go ahead and just try to fix my eye a little bit, because now it's just looking like a hot mess. Okay, this is helping. This is like another subculture issue, you guys. Oh my god, I'll be right back. Literally, there was no fixing this. I tried to fix it off camera, but there was no fixing it. So what I had to do was put black right here. So I'm just going to pop on the eyelashes and hope for the best. And then do the rest of my face and talk to you guys about what I think about this palette. So I'm going to pop on these eyelashes. These ones they look like this. Super, super wispy. These are the 3D 15s from this brand. I'll try to link them down below for you guys if I could still find them. They are like $1 to $2 on AliExpress. And they're really, really bomb. And let me look, because if not, I'm going to have an anxiety attack. I'm not putting any primer because if you guys can see my face, it looks super oily already. So it's like, I don't know what a primer does. Yeah, my poor pores, whatever, yada, yada, yada. Wash your face, you'll be fine. Did the other video today. I'm recording this video the day I posted the other Morphe palette, the other new Morphe palette. I posted it, and I liked it. I didn't do like a review on it. It was just like a regular, like, you know, me doing my makeup with it and showing you guys. Fallout. Oh yeah, like I don't mind Fallout, but lifting my other eyeshadow, especially like if you're going to an event or you're going to a wedding or you're going to a party, the last thing you're looking for is for your damn eyeshadow to be falling out everywhere and making it, like, you guys saw me, I was okay with all the damn fallout on my face. I was like, yeah, we're looking crazy, but we'll look cute. Like, you guys saw that, and then it lifted my eyeshadow and it took me to another level. I know it's just eyeshadow. Christina, calm the fuck down. But when you're paying for shit, I mean, you gonna be honest. Ooh, I'm so gonna go watch reviews before I even edit this video. And maybe I did something wrong, but I've been doing makeup since I was 15 and I'm almost 25, so it says a lot. I cannot believe that happened to me. I am a paying customer. Customer's never wrong. Okay, stop, bitch. Calm down. No. Remember, this is too light for you, girl. Don't keep using it. I'm gonna go into this one. Maybe everything's too light for me and I just don't know my shade. Pop of blue into a grudgy eye. And it's okay. The people will understand. I had a moco and y'all didn't tell me. Eyes. And my nose. And my mustache. And my chin. And my laugh lines. And that's it. Oh, and my forehead. Now that's it. Now that you're looking ghostly, dude. Gnarly. We're going to contour. This is why I don't like having my beauty section clean, because then everything disappears and I have to get up to go get it when I already had it right here. It's like I don't own another bronzer. We're gonna go into this bronzer right here, which is called Cashmere from Physicians Formula. You guys, if you have not yet tried it, you need to try this. It is really, really good, and I really like it. So we're gonna go into it. Alright guys, so that was basically my little review / demo about this palette. I don't know where Morphe went wrong with this bad boy eyeshadow. It's the darkest purple shade in this palette. When I put that on, it brushed off all the freaking blend and all the eyeshadow I already had previously on my eyes. So that made me really, really mad and frustrated, because I mean, I was so happy. I love Morphe eyeshadows. I was trying to go for a burgundy out here and then a blue, and it didn't work out that way. I look like I have grudged eyes now because of the black I had to put to cover up the mistakes of the eyeshadow on this part of the eyes. But other than that, I had no other issue besides that one eyeshadow. I regret putting it on. I don't know where they went wrong, but what the fudge, you know? I was like really excited. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna put purple, and then it just wiped everything off. But yeah, you guys, if you guys do want to purchase this palette, it's not anything bad. Go ahead, purchase it. You guys can go ahead and try it out for yourselves. It might work for you. What doesn't work for me doesn't mean it doesn't work for you. But other than that, we came to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you for all the new subscribers I have on my channel. That means so much. It's growing slowly but surely, and it's making me super excited, you guys, because we're almost at 2,000 subscribers. We need like 400 and something, but that's okay. We'll make it there, and it'll be very, very worth it. But other than that, you guys, that's all I gotta say about this palette. I enjoyed it besides that one eyeshadow. If I do end up not liking another eyeshadow, because I'm gonna give this palette a second chance, then go ahead and read the description box. It'll probably be up there in a week from now. Other than that, all the other shadows are really amazing. I did end up swatching them, like I said, for Instagram. So if you guys are interested in that, go watch that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Swear I cannot win for losing. I've been out here being faithful.